Jollof Rice. A main dish from Liberia. Serves 2. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Sauté chicken in oil until brown. Step 2. Add ham, onions, salt, pepper and allspice, cook until onions are tender. Step 3. Add tomatoes, tomato paste, water, French beans, cover and cook for 10 minutes or until tender. Step 4. In a separate pot cook the rice in 16 ounces of lightly salted water. Drain. Step 5. Add rice to pot with meat. Cover and simmer over low heat for 10 minutes. Step 6. Remove from heat and let stand for 15 minutes. Step 7. Serve. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.